I did not want to request back child support, but I'm currently paying for my daughter's braces. I did ask her to help me with half. She has not responded. I would like to get back pay so I can finish paying off those that medical bill.
Well, there's no back pay because y'all got together 2 months ago.
Suit affecting parent-child relationship. The parties sign an acknowledgement of one child.
JOP, one child. And who's the custodial parent in this case?
It is Mr. Hernandez.
So he has possession of the child. All right. And so Mr. Hernandez, basically the state's telling me the following, sir. They are telling me that when you are not married to Mr. Hernandez, or you're not married to her, are you, sir?
No, sir.
There you go. However, when this child was born, you were present and you did sign an acknowledgement saying that you are the father. Any questions about that, sir?
No, sir.
All right. That being the case, the state has filed the acknowledgement attorney exhibit A. That'll be admitted. And he's a daddy and he has possession of the child. All right. And do you talk to Ms. Hernandez, sir?
No, sir.
You don't talk to her. Do you know why she's not here?
I spoke to her. I tried to speak to her. I tried to text her. She does not answer my texts. Currently, my youngest daughter is getting braces. I did ask her for half of the expenses. She does not answer me. She doesn't. I try to talk to my daughter, but I really don't want to get my daughter involved in this. So I try to call her. She doesn't answer, sir.
Okay. And where are you living now, sir?
I'm currently living at 1264.
Oh, here in Brownsville. You live in Cameron County. Okay. All right. State, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. The state will call Ms. Mendiola. Ms. Mendiola, where are you currently employed?
At the Office of the Attorney General, Child Support.
Okay. And what is your job title?
Child Support Officer.
And as part of your duties as child support officers, one of them to review the wage information that we may have for obligors?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to review wage information for Ms. Sara Hernandez in this case?
Yes.
And what did you find?
So I was able to review her income for 2021 and so far the first 6 months of 2022. So I averaged out that income, and based on that, it was up $1,492.68 a month.
Okay.
For income.
That's the gross. And so
That's
the child support guideline based on that is what?
$252 for child support and then $75 medical. That's 5%.
Okay. I will pass the witness, Jonah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you. Okay, state, and the 2 children in this case, state?
There is one child left. The oldest has emancipated.
Oh, that's why you said, okay, 'cause I have Brian here. He's listed on the pleadings, but it was 2004. So he's already 18, he's graduated from school, right, Mr. Hernandez?
It is Brianna, Your Honor, not
The
Brian.
oldest child is already an adult, right? Finished school and all that?
That is correct. She's
Okay.
currently in university.
Okay, there you go. But we still have the other child. What's UNESCO? What's that? What's the name of them?
UNESCO.
UNESCO. It's a unique name. I haven't seen that, but
Sure it is.
okay. Okay.
They're mountains in Ecuador.
There you go. Oh, and how old is the next? How is she now? How old is she?
She's currently 14 years old. She will turn 15 on November the 20th, sir.
All right. And how long have the children been with you, sir? How long have they been with you by yourself?
I'm sorry, you're breaking up, Your Honor.
Yeah, how long have they been with you, sir? I mean, you've had possession of them. Yeah, how long?
They've been living with me since birth, sir, here at my home.
Okay.
They are currently UNESCO. I agreed to it where she spends a week with her mother and a week with me. And that's how we're working it right now.
So a week with each other, okay. And when did y'all separate, sir? When did you have both children, or what happened?
Unfortunately, she's been arrested for domestic violence. She struck me. That's one of the reasons I did not want to go through these proceedings. She's trying to run me over. Like I said, she's been arrested, and she did inform me that I was going to regret it if anything goes through with this. So I really didn't want to do this, Your Honor. I wanted to keep it within her and I, but she's getting to. But unfortunately, when I stopped working because of health conditions, I used to work with the state, and I could not afford health insurance because I would pay for it for my daughters. So I applied for Medicaid, and that's one of the reasons that we're going through this process, because I needed medical support for my daughters.
Right. So, and how long have you and her, Ms. Hernandez, been separated, sir?
Currently it's 2 months, Your Honor. We had a viable relationship on and off. She would leave the home, stay with the parents. This would be going on for about 4 to 5 years, Your Honor.
On and off, and y'all were just off 2 months ago.
3 months ago, I would say about June, Your Honor.
So about June, y'all were living together.
Well, she would come and stay with the girls. I wouldn't say living together.
You would allow her to stay there, but y'all were not together. Y'all are not together at this time, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, State.
And so, Mr. Hernandez, you said that you had safety concerns and family violence with Ms. Hernandez. Do you need a public place for drop off and pick up for the child? For her
We're
visitation?
currently the way we're currently working is I either pick her up from her high school or I pick her up across the street from parents' home, Your Honor, ma'am. So I would say no. I hope I don't need it.
And what type of, you want to keep what do you want, are you asking for visitation for her to have?
Like I said, we're currently, I'm trying to keep this in a civil matter for my daughter's sake. So as per my daughter's request, she would like to go 1 week with her mom and 1 week with myself, ma'am.
And are there any safety concerns with your daughter visiting with her mom? There's any issues there?
Not physically, but maybe verbal abuse as far as that goes, but no physical violence.
Okay, and what type of health insurance does the child have?
Like I mentioned to the judge, I am currently unemployed. I applied for disability. She is currently on Medicaid. Yes, ma'am.
And does Ms. Hernandez have any other children?
No, ma'am. Not that I'm aware of.
Okay, I will pass witness, Your Honor.
Okay. And so, Mr. Hernandez, so there's no concern if the child goes, but you say the child, sometimes y'all do a 1 week on, 1 week off, right?
Yes, sir.
So y'all have no problem with visitation being as mutually agreed, and if y'all don't agree, standard as per the family code, first, third, and fifth weekend, Friday, 6, Sunday, 6, and holidays?
No problem, Your Honor.
No problem with that? Okay, like I said, visitation is always as mutually agreed, so y'all can do whatever works for you. If it works, fine, but when y'all have problems, y'all just follow the order. So,
yes, sir.
Okay, and as far as this violence, violence against you, so again, where is she gonna pick up or drop? Where does she pick up and drop off the child at?
She's currently picking up my daughter across the street from where I live, and I am either picking her up at her high school after school on Friday, or I do go pick her up at her grandparents' home across the street.
Oh, so y'all are working, okay. Then the pickup and drop off will be as the parties mutually agree. Pick up and drop off as parties mutually agreed. As parties mutually agree. So y'all keep on doing that. You pick up from school, whatever. All right. And then we have a child support in this case. Any questions on the child support, sir?
Your Honor, I do have a request. I did not want to request back child support, but I'm currently paying for my daughter's braces, and as you know, they're pretty expensive, and I'm paying out of my pocket. I did ask her to help me with half. She has not responded, so I would like to get back pay so I can finish paying off those that medical bill.
Well, there's no back pay because y'all got together 2 months ago.
No, sir, we got separated 3 months ago on
3
June.
months, see, that's what I'm saying. Y'all just barely separated. As far as any medical expenses, both of you or parents are responsible for 50% of costs not covered by insurance.
That's correct.
Dentistry is generally not covered by insurance, okay?
That is correct, Your
So
Honor.
she owes you half. She's responsible for half of any expenses that you incur for dental.
That's correct, but she is not willing to pay for it. That's why I'm asking for back child support from June till now when she left the home.
June, so July, August, September. So for you
Yes,
asking
sir.
for 3 months, actually 4 months, because October, you asking for 4 months.
Yes, sir.
Back child support, okay. All right, then child support will be set at $252 a month, and that will begin effective on November 1st. The father will apply the chips, and she'll pay $75 a month beginning November 1, and back child support $252 by 4 months, 252 times 4.
That's 1,008.
Retro back child support for 1,008 to be paid at $50 a month, beginning also on November 1st. Court costs, she'll pay $200 by December 15th, 22, balance as billed. Non-disclosure is authorized. If he happens to move, you don't have to let her know because of the issues there. But the pickup and drop off will be again in any public place as mutually agreed. They cover everything, state.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything else? Anything else, sir? Mr. Hernandez?
No, sir. Thank you
Okay,
very
y'all-
much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Y'all will receive an order writing within 30 days. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.